So this is number 16. This is the installation, which is a string of titles, a string of many different newspapers, titles that I collected through a year, that I was sent to Holland by my mother, just because I thought it would be important and interesting to hear also what the newspapers, the people had to say about the situation on this island, and then how to reflect on it, on the different aspects of socially, morally, problems just accumulates, you know, and accidents and COVID and people's acknowledgements and people's opinions and critics and how it all collapses, how it all hits this ground on this island. And also why the chairs and the tables, because you know, we sit on chairs, we sit at tables, we talk, a place to communicate, a place to eat, a place to come together, a place to sit down and express and to have great dialogues and to come to an understanding and solution. And that is not really the problem, because this chair doesn't have the seat to sit on. It's open. You fall down. You know, there's no communication. There's no mutual understanding. The table is upside down because people don't talk really. They don't clarify situations. They don't understand how important this is.